Hello everyone and welcome back to BillyProfits. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a flexible and profitable way to make money online by working as a live chat support agent. This opportunity is perfect if you enjoy helping people and communicating online, and it can pay up to $25 per hour or even more. In this video, we'll go through 5 different websites where you can start offering live chat support, each with its own unique benefits and earning potential. I'll guide you step by step on how to get started on each platform, covering everything from setting up an account to landing your first gig. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of where to apply, how to maximize your income, and the potential earnings you can expect from each site. This is BillyProfits, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country so we'll be able to upload future make money online opportunities that are available to your location. Let's start by explaining what live chat support is. Live chat support agents help businesses communicate with their customers through online chat, answering questions, solving problems, and ensuring a smooth experience for everyone involved. For example, you might assist customers with issues related to their accounts, help track their orders, or answer general questions about products and services. Unlike phone support, live chat support involves typing rather than speaking, which makes it a low-stress and appealing option for many people. Plus, most companies offer flexible shifts, and you'll need advanced technical skills to get started. So let's look at some websites where you can earn money as a live chat support agent. The first site we're going to talk about is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms where companies post job listings for various tasks, including live chat support. This is an ideal site for beginners as it allows you to set up a profile and search for jobs in specific categories like customer support or chat support. To start on Upwork, go to Upwork.com and sign up by filling out your details. After creating an account, you'll need to complete a profile. Make sure to include relevant skills like customer support, communication, and typing to attract clients looking for live chat support. Once your profile is set up, use the job search feature to look for live chat support listings. You'll find various positions with different pay rates. Apply to as many relevant jobs as possible, as this increases your chances of landing a position. If a client chooses to hire you, you can start working almost immediately. Many live chat support jobs on Upwork pay between $10 and $25 per hour, depending on the client's budget and the job complexity. When you're just starting, you may earn around $15 per hour, but as you gain more experience and build a strong reputation on Upwork, it's entirely possible to reach $25 per hour or more. Our second website is LivePerson, a platform dedicated to live chat support and customer engagement. LivePerson connects companies with chat agents who assist customers in real time. To get started with LivePerson, visit liveperson.com and sign up to become an expert. The platform will put you through a screening process to ensure you can communicate clearly and effectively, which may include some questions or assessments. While previous customer service experience is helpful, it's not always a requirement. Once accepted, you'll start receiving chat requests from customers. Your role will involve answering questions, troubleshooting problems, and helping customers find the information they need. LivePerson often pays based on a combination of time and performance, meaning the faster and more accurately you handle chats, the more you can earn. The typical pay ranges from $15 to $25 per hour, depending on your efficiency and chat volume. Next up, we have the Chat Shop, another excellent platform for live chat support work. The Chat Shop specializes in providing high-quality live chat services for companies of all sizes, from small businesses to large corporations. To begin, go to thechatshop.com and navigate to their career section. They regularly post openings for live chat agents, so check back often and apply as soon as you see a listing. The Chat Shop typically requires applicants to be native English speakers with strong typing skills, as they prioritize effective communication. After applying, you'll go through an interview and a thorough training process. The Chat Shop is known for investing in training to ensure agents are prepared to represent their clients effectively. Once you complete the training, you can start handling live chat assignments. One of the perks of working with the Chat Shop is the flexible hours, which makes it an excellent option if you're looking for part-time work or want to supplement your income. Most agents at the Chat Shop earn between $10 and $20 per hour. However, if you perform well and prove to be reliable, you may have opportunities for higher pay and additional shifts, which could bring you closer to that $25 per hour mark. Our fourth site is Arise, a platform that connects freelance customer service agents with clients. Arise is unique because it allows you to work as an independent contractor, giving you considerable flexibility in setting your hours and choosing your clients. To get started with Arise, visit arise.com and sign up as an agent. Be prepared for a detailed registration process, as Arise often requires background checks and assessments to ensure they're hiring quality support agents. Once you're approved, you can browse a variety of client opportunities, including live chat support roles. With Arise, you have the freedom to select the clients you want to work with, allowing you to control your workload and schedule. Once you've chosen a client, you'll likely go through a client-specific training program to ensure you're well prepared for the job. Most live chat support agents on Arise earn between $12 and $20 per hour, but some roles can pay higher depending on the client's requirements and your performance. Our final platform for today is Indeed, one of the world's largest job search engines. While Indeed isn't dedicated to live chat support, it's an excellent place to find a variety of chat support jobs across industries and companies. To find chat support jobs on Indeed, visit Indeed.com and use the search bar to look up terms like live chat support or remote customer support. You'll see a list of job postings with details on pay, requirements, and job descriptions. Once you find a job that interests you, simply follow the application instructions on the posting. Many of these jobs require little to no prior experience, and some even provide on-the-job training. Since Indeed has listings from companies around the world, you'll find a wide range of pay rates. Generally, live chat support jobs on Indeed offer between $10 and $25 per hour, depending on the company and the role's requirements. With persistence and dedication, you can find opportunities that fit your experience level and pay expectations. As you get started in live chat support, keep in mind that consistency and patience are key. In the beginning, it may take a little time to land your first gig, especially if you're new to online work. Don't get discouraged if you don't get hired right away. Many successful live chat agents built their profiles and reputations over time by consistently applying to jobs, improving their typing speed and accuracy, and honing their communication skills. A useful tip to stand out is to always personalize your applications for each job listing, mentioning specific details that show you've taken the time to understand the role. Clients value this attention to detail, and it can set you apart from other applicants. Remember also to track your progress and set income goals for yourself. Working from home as a live chat support agent can be incredibly fulfilling, especially when you see your earnings grow over time. Set small, achievable targets each week or month to motivate yourself. Even if you start at a lower rate, building a strong reputation on platforms like Upwork or developing a high rating on sites like LivePerson can open doors to higher paying opportunities. With a little perseverance and commitment, you can reach the $25 per hour mark or even more. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope these tips help you succeed in your live chat support journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Here's to your success. See you next time. So there you have it. These 5 platforms, Upwork, LivePerson, The Chat Shop, Arise, and Indeed, offer excellent opportunities to earn money by offering live chat support. Whether you're looking for a part-time side hustle or a full-time work-from-home job, these sites give you the flexibility and earning potential to make it happen. If you're a quick learner with strong communication skills, live chat support can be a rewarding and profitable option.